Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use InfluxDB 3.0 with FactoryTalk Optix. You have to be aware that InfluxDB 3 has no graphical user interface, so I will show you how to use the InfluxDB Explorer, and then we'll connect a Grafana visualization inside a window in Optix to show statistical trends or historian. You can also use Optix Edge to perform this, even though for this use case I have used my laptop. So first of all, you have to have running instance of InfluxDB. You have to install InfluxDB 3.0 on your laptop, and with this command you can execute your InfluxDB 3.0 instance. And as I said, there is no graphical user interface. Here you have your database running, and you have to have the InfluxDB Explorer in Docker. Not possible to install in Windows. So here we have our InfluxDB 3 Explorer running in this port. You can take a look at this port, and you can see the different databases you have with the table. In this case, you don't talk about buckets. In this case, you talk about table. And then you can make SQL queries. This is interesting from InfluxDB 3.0. You can run the query and so on. Since we have the system running, you can run different queries. Okay, there's a lot more on this Explorer, but I will explain on the next video. Then we can go to our Optix application, where we have a randomly generated value from 0 to 10 with Gaussian distribution. And here we have a window. I will explain what is this window. But first of all, take a look at the database. Here in the database, we use this port. This is the port where the InfluxDB 3.0 is running. In organization, with 3.0, you don't use organization. And the bucket, here is the name of the database. You have to have a token. When you install InfluxDB 3.0, you get this token. And this is all. Then, in this window, I just have a Grafana representation on my laptop. I will show you right now. So if we start this application, you have it here, a Grafana window with your data. In this case is a statistical process control historian plugin in Grafana. You can refresh it, have a lot of information. Let's take a look at the Grafana. Here you can have a lot of statistical data thanks to this plugin. Very interesting. Play a little with these options. And for the connection, you have to use data source to connect to InfluxDB 3.0. Now we have to use SQL query language. This is the URL where the database is running. You also use basic authentication with user and password, and that's all. When you make save and test, you have success. Then you can go to dashboards, build your own dashboard. And once you have it, you can just copy this URL and paste inside of the window in the URL here. That's how you manage to get your Grafana visualization in Optix. And this is all. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.